Kasi hindi ko natanong to kanina. I missed it no? Doon po sa PSS SLI, sa Public Safety Savings and Loan Association, meron po ba kayong 23 million na cash deposit doon noong 2020 and 2021?
Yes, Mr. Chair. May deposit po ako.
23 million na nakadeposit sa'yo doon?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Or more than that?
No, it's not more than, Mr. Chair, kasi meron na akong dati.
So, saan ang galing yung pera?
Na dinedeposit ko na nakadeduct po.
Saan galing po yung perang 23 million?
May binenta po ako na galing po sa mother ko when she died, Mr. Chair.
Ano pong property yon, Madam GM?
Yung pong 5 sets na jewelry niya po na napundar niya for 15 years.
Okay, kasama po ba sa salian to, itong pinasok niyo rito?
No, Mr. Chair, kasi po gratuitous, it was only turned over to me nung later part na lang po.
Nakakagulat naman po, no? 2020 saka 2021 yung pinasok ng 23 million. At, 3 million ka po? Si Chairman Acop, 3 million lang daw yung kanyang Public Safety Savings and Loan Association. Kayo po, Colonel, 23 million. Hindi po kayo nagugulat sa pinasok niyong pera? Sige, Chairman.
Is that your capital contribution for Peace Life?
Mr. Chair, it was kasi later lang.
Hindi
Yes po,
sagutin
yes.
mo ako.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
May limit yung, wala bang limit yung capital contribution for Peace Life, just like AFSLI?
Can I explain, Mr. Chair?
Tinatanong nga kita eh.
Yes, Mr. Chair. During that time, parang inopen kasi. So, sabi ko, okay, ilipat ko na lang yung pera. Better, kasi tumutubo po.
Hindi ba, I do not know the members of Peace Life here. Ang pagbibigay ng capital contribution is for a member, 75,000 every 3 months. Pag hindi member, yung kamag-anak mo is mas maliit kaysa 75. Nagtataka ako, bakit ikaw umabot ng 23 million? Isang bigay yun?
Hindi po isang bigay, Mr. Chair.
And how many tranches did you contribute that to your capital contribution sa Peace Life?
I did it twice and
Twice?
paglipat din ng mga income ng other.
Mr. Chair, that's unbelievable.
Kaya nga medyo nagtataka lang ako.
Okay.
Dalawang bigay yung 23 million doon sa PSS LAI nung 2020 saka 2021. So, hindi ba to 23 million ng 2020 saka 23 million ng 2021? Are you sure?
Yes, hindi po ganun.
So, total na to nung 2020 at ang 2021.
Accumulate, yes po, total na po lahat.
Total tong 23 million. So we will be asking General Managuelod as well, the President of the PSS LAI, no, para makita po natin yung amount kung nagsasabi po kayo ng totoo. You remember nung August 18, 2024, when we started the investigation of the Davao Colony incident wherein Superintendent Padilla was here and nag-start na po yung mention about you and Commissioner Leonardo. Do you remember, meron ka bang bangko sa PS Bank sa Mandaluyong? Yes or no?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Did you withdraw 15 million during that time?
No, it's not 15 million, Mr. Chair.
Magkano withdraw mo? 20?
No, Mr. Chair, 10, Mr. Chair.
10 million
Yes.
ang withdraw mo. Okay. Where did you get that amount of 10 million?
Savings ko po yun.
Savings din also?
Yes po.
Ang dami mo naman savings sa GM Garma. Meron ka ng savings sa PPS LAI, may mga properties ka pa. At you remember your houses sa Cebu? You have 3 houses sa Cebu.
No, Mr. Chair.
Wala kang bahay doon? Wala kang bahay sa Central Visayas, sa Cebu City, sa Sitio Tupas? We will find out. Sa Kantipla, 1, Tabunan, Cebu City. Kantipla,
Kantipla. Was that the, Mr. Chair, na...
your house. Ilang beses ka nakita dito?
Nagpunta po ako, Mr. Chair. Pero
Correct.
it's not-
Cebu City, sa may Transcestal Highway, Cebu City.
Wala din po, Mr. Chair.
So yung sa Tabunan ay sa iyo na bahay.
Can I make an explanation, Mr.
Hindi,
Chair?
sabihin mo lang muna sa akin.
Opo,
kung-
opo.
Yes, bahay mo yun. Yan, no. How much did you buy for this property?
I did not buy it, Mr. Chair.
Kaninong bahay ito?
Actually, there was an old house. And during that time, when I was the city director, Mr. Chair,
Paano naging sa iyo kung hindi mo binili?
I will explain
Sige, go ahead.
if you will allow me, Mr. Chair.
Yes.
I'll just get my notes. Okay. During that time, Mr. Chair, nag-establish kami ng detachment. Kasi daanan po kasi yan ng mga mag-exit from Cebu City, ginagawang exit po yan going to the province. Yun po yung kasagsagan po na maraming mga incidents po ng mga patayan or something. So I want to secure the boundary para hindi makalabas. Madali pong i-confine yung lugar kung sakali. So nag-establish kami ng detachment po doon. And nakita ko po, may area doon na inalaw naman kami to establish, and there's an old house.
Okay. So kinuha mo yung property yan?
Can I explain further, Mr.
Hindi,
Yes.
what you're trying to tell us that naglagay kayo ng detachment just like in Hilltop na naglagay ka rin ng detachment na ginastos mo ng almost 1 million pero yung bahay mo nandun sa may taas. Is that correct, di ba? Ganun ang sitwasyon mo eh. Yung detachment nasa ibaba para mabantayan yung bahay sa itaas. Yun yung sa Hilltop. Yung dito sa Cebu,
Hilltop.
meron din kayong detachment and then meron din property.
I'm referring to only one area, Mr. Chair.
Okay.
It's not a...
So isang
only area.
detachment lang to na pinag-uusapan natin.
Yes, Mr. Chair. And during that time po, marami po mga officers na nagpatayo din ng property nila doon. If you will allow me to mention, gumaya lang po ako, Mr. Chair.
O, sige.
Ang
Sino
usapan lang naman doon is, bawal magputo ng puno, magtanim ka na magtanim, alagaan mo yung lugar.
So sino yung mga sinasabi mo mga officers na
there's
meron
a
din?
4-story house doon owned by General Medina. May bungalow po doon sina Sir Sinas, kina General Delvo, General Lee po, may container van, sina Sir Minong, Pem Solante, may house po and cockpit arena po doon. Meron din pong foundation lang po na hindi natapos, owned by 2 generals and other police officers po.
Can you submit that copy of those personalities that you have mentioned?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
I want to see all those personalities that you have mentioned to us. Okay. Si Chuck Barondog, meron ding bahay doon? Chuck. Colonel, meron ka rin bahay doon sa Hilltop? Thank you, ma'am.
Sir,
Meron ka rin bahay? Yes or no?
no, sir.
Wala kang bahay doon? Kayo ni Ibon?
No, sir.
Sa Hilltop?
In Cantipla, sir, no, sir.
Speak louder.
Sir, no, negative, sir.
Wala kayong bahay doon, ha?
Yeah, sir.
Grialdo, Hector. Asa si Hector Grialdo? Okay. For the meantime, did you issue GM kay sa Mandaue City ng STL operation kay Piona Trading and Supply Corporation owned by Ibon Barondog, Mandaue City? In-issue mo ba siya ng authority to operate? Yes or no?
Piona po ang nanalo po sa bidding. Yes, Mr.
Oo,
Chair.
kay Ibon.
Nasa
Kasi-
record naman po.
Oo, nasa record talaga na in-issue mo na asawa ni Kenred Barondog, si Ibon Barondog, na siyang first nominee ng STL Party List. At siya rin ang presidente ng STL Foundation na binigyan mo ng 2 milyon out of the PCSO fund para sa Mandaue City. Di ba?
On the record, Mr. Chair.
Okay, on the record. May I reiterate my request, Mr. Chairman, lastly, para po ipatawag si Igel Awakay, appointed as a permanent position na Technical B Assistant, appointed by GM Garma, doon po sa PCSO. Kasi siya po nag-aayos ng mga feasibility study ng STL na pinapasok
Ayos?
ng grupo nila GM Garma. And as a matter of fact, Mr. Chairman, and I still believe that the operation of STL in the whole country is still being controlled by GM Garma with these people her people na appointed in the PCSO. For the meantime, Mr. Chairman, yun po muna, and I yield back my time.
Sige, salamat Congressman Fernandez.
Mr. Chair, can I make
Sige, is
make
that
a
related sa
Yes,
sinabi
Mr.
ni
Chair.
Congressman? Yes, sige.
Yes, Mr. Chair. There is a process po sa pag-ano po ng STL. From the start parang po ng processing, paghulog and everything, naka-video po lahat yan. Pag binuksan po din namin yung Dropbox, naka-video din po yan at may 3 susi na may hawak po Office of the Chair, the core group, na umuupo po sa core group, which is the
STL core group.
STL core group, which is the manager ng gaming po. And 3 susi po yan, Mr. Chair. Pag binubuksan din po yan at ini-evaluate, meron pong representative lahat ng Board of Directors. At ang ginagawa po yan, ini-scrutinize isa-isa po yan. At naka-record po yan. At ang nag-preside po sa processing na yan po ay ang Assistant General Manager for Gaming. Hindi po ako